Hello folks, a little bit of review of this Fanntik X8 air inflator. I saw it on Chalisi's channel and she had a code on there for a discount, and also had an Amazon code, and I think I got it for $49 after all discounts. Comes in a nice box with all the parts on the side here. I'm just going to show you real quick how it works and what's in the package. Comes in a nice little bag. Also have the tube that goes on it with it. The tube, or the inflator, goes in here, the hose. The screws in the bottom. And then a little pouch inside here, you have a charging USB. This little bag with a little adapter here for inflatable toys. You have a charger which plugs in the bottom right here. And you have the like the basketball or whatever inflator in this little valve here. Works real simple. I've had it, I charged it fully when I got it. To turn it on, you just push this button, hold it, and it fires up. You can see the indicator on the top left shows a full battery. And I have the mode button over here. Push mode, bicycle, car, motorcycle, and basketballs or whatever. So just for the sake of the motorcycle set at 35, mine is I think 42 and 36 on mine. And you can increase or decrease the pressure by pushing the up and down arrow. And turn it off. You just push the off button, hold it down, it goes off. Okay, here's a little quick demo how this thing works. I got it on the tire there. Turn it on. It says I have 5.1 psi in the tire, and I'm going to change the mode. Just go to general, and I'm going to put 12 psi in it, so I push that. And she kicks off. Now I take this off here, and we're good to go. Turn it off.